Is it still worth getting the Canon 90D in 2022 when the end of the DSLR is here? Which is a shame because the DSLR is an iconic camera. They are actually fantastic cameras. In some ways it is sad that the Canon 90D is going to be the last DSLR, but it is a fantastic camera to end on. You've got uncropped 4K, you've got a 32.5 megapixel CMOS megapixel sensor on it, which does have a few issues with soft focus and you need modern lenses, but I mainly use this camera for recording and I occasionally take a few pictures, and it has produced some fantastic pictures. And I don't have great lenses, I have the kit lens that came with it, the 18 to 135mm, which you do also get the option of 18 to 50 or 50mm lens, I believe, but the 18 to 135 is obviously gives you better perspective of zooming and any other things that you may want to do. I also have my favourite lens, which is to record with, is the 10 to 18mm and the Nifty 50. Now the 10 to 18mm lens, because it's a CMOS sensor, it's not truly 10. It may be, I think it works out to be more like 14mm lens or something, but that's it fully, so you do still get a good perspective. However, if I was going to buy a camera in 2022, I may edge toward, if I had the money, for the R6. But because I have the Canon 90D, I'm not planning on upgrading until I get enough money for the R5, because I see that as my next camera. Though the Sony a7S III does kind of look appealing, and apparently the color science is on form with the Canon's color science. Now I'm shooting in a cine style format and I'm going to color correct it, hopefully it looks good. I mean, to be honest, quite frankly, if we're talking about cameras, I would love the red. No idea why, I've been watching a lot of videos on it, but it's like £9,000 or something, or £6,000, but then all the stuff that you have to add on. But it's a cinema camera, so what am I going to do with that? But I somehow feel like I am getting sidetracked on this video, which is really easy for me to do. So yes, I've got no plans in the immediate future of upgrading to the Canon R5 because I'm still enjoying the Canon 90D. I do want to transform this kind of 4DXT Productions into an actual company and be able to provide filming promos. Now, my sister's just opened her first business as a beauty therapist, so she's going to be, and I'm talking to her about shooting a promo video for her, and we'll get something organised. So I'll no doubt be able to post that up here and advertise her business on my platform. But also, once I get more confident, more used to using the gimbal and different style of shots, I should be able to contact businesses, small businesses, and offer to shoot a promo for them for free. And something like wedding videography is appealing, but I would seriously need to upgrade my game, because I was on Discord recently and there's a guy who has never done videography before and was wanting to charge someone £800, even though he's a novice editing as well. So to me, I was like, if that was me, I'd be offering to do it for free. Even if you hire the more expensive guy, can you get in contact with him and say, can I shadow you for the day and make your own video and see what the experienced guy does? But that's I spoke to another guy who also, he done his first 3 wedding videos for free, because one, he gets the experience. If he mucks up, you've not taken £800 to £2,000 off someone and wasted their time, wasted your time, and most importantly, you've wasted the wedding company. It's not like a film set where you can say, right, cut, right, reset, move the bride back up, didn't get the shot. It's too fast paced for that, so you need to be on ball, on the game. It's like jazz. You just need to adapt.
Improvise, adapt to the environment. Darwin, shit happens, I Ching, whatever, man.
But apart from that, that's what my long-term goal is. Obviously I do have a full-time job, so if I was recommend, if you are in the market for DSLR camera, I would recommend the 90D. I would, at this point, consider you going for a discounted one rather than spending, I think it's like the body's £1,300 or £1,500, so you may be able to pick it up for £1,000 second hand with a kit lens, maybe £800. I don't know, but if you want to buy it from Canon brand new, I think with a lens it's £1,500. So it's not that bad, but then if you save up £1,000 more, you can get the, I think you can get the R6, which is a mirrorless camera. So you're in the future, we're in the present terms of technology, where this is now considered old tech, and they've discontinued supplying lenses for it. But I could ramble on here about camera settings in ages, but I've really enjoyed making my movies with the Canon 90D, and I will still continue to make movies with it because that's what I have. I have this and the Samsung Galaxy S22, which the whole Gordon Ramsay restaurant promo was filmed on. So, and this can shoot up to 8K, I believe. So I've got an 8K camera here. I will do an in-depth review on this as well because I've had some time mucking about with it. But yeah, I've really loved the Canon 90D, and the other thing is, I did mention before, I'm shooting in CineStyle, and CineStyle is from Technicolor, which is a free download. You just need to import it onto the camera, because one of the problems with the 90D is it doesn't come with C-Log or any other like CineStyle, where other kind of professional 4K cameras do come with. So it's just a quick download, and the picture's a lot more flat, and you can upgrade color in post, which I use DaVinci Studio for, DaVinci Resolve Studio. Anyway, this has been a quick video on my thoughts on the Canon 90D, my future, advertising my sister's business. I'll see if she's happy for me to post it. You can find her on Beauty by Melanie on Instagram if you're in Scotland and you want a good makeup artist. But anyway, thank you for taking the time for watching the video. Thank you for the recent subscribers. I'm now up 106, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.